I had to go and feed the guys. Nobody did it right. I had to show them how to grind.
trucks because I skate like in between, so it's a little weird. I'm not going to be able to get that many tricks. Trucks and a new board is really difficult. I think I got like 5. Let's keep going. I think after this, I'm gonna go inside and I'm gonna tighten these up because I cannot stand skating real loose trucks. I might be able to get used to it. I might do a different type of video, like a day of street skating with loosey-goosey trucks. Maybe not. Why torture myself? Actually, whatever. We might do it. Someone's playing music. But, yeah. Loose trucks and me are not friends. So, I think I did like 10. I'll have to rewatch it. But, yeah, I'll probably title it something like, how many tricks can I get with loose trucks? Or something along those lines. 15 tricks with loose trucks. How loose trucks skate. Something like that. But yeah, if you skate real loose trucks, I know there's some people that skate their trucks so loose to where their trucks like wibble around and flop, just going like this. And like me, I can step on this thing and I can just go like this. But, you know, loose trucks can be a good and a bad thing. I like skating. Some people like manualing with loose trucks. I can't skate super tight trucks either, because then I feel like I can't turn and stuff, and it's too stiff. But I found the happy medium that I like. But if it's too loose of trucks, then I feel I can't get the stability I need, and I put pressure on the board, because some tricks you just use the pressure of your feet to make it go, like pressure flips, you know. But even just putting that bend on a skateboard with various heel flips, it just helps it snap so much cleaner, and you get more pop, and it just feels so much clean. And with super tight trucks, I can't get that feeling, and with too loose trucks, I can't ride a skateboard very well. Some people like skating super loose. Some people take their bushings out for them to be extra loose, but props to you guys if you skate that way. Nothing against you guys on that. I just couldn't do it. Maybe with practice, but I just don't want to learn to skate that way. I know this video was a little odd, but I'll be back out here probably tomorrow, and I'll film another learning a trick with me. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video of skating loose trucks on a brand new skateboard. So skating a brand new skateboard is tough as it is, because it's not broke in, and skating new trucks is even bad too. Everything's new, and it sucks until stuff gets broke in. If you wear new shoes with a brand new skateboard too, then it's just really extra sucky. So at least I have crap shoes. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Smash the like button, subscribe, turn on the bell, comment when you turn on the bell or when you subscribe, just so we can get comments going. I know there's some that are already subscribed, so comment your favorite animal if you're already subscribed. I'll catch you guys later. Dream big, live bigger. Peace out.
The same, no, you can't compare me. I don't belong in a box. Don't try to play me, no, I'm not friendly. This is everything I got. Ain't no playing.